Ever wonder how some TikTok shop users know exactly what's going to blow up before anybody else? Like they're always ahead of the trend, posting the perfect winning product, and ranking in sales while the rest of us guess. Well, today I'm going to show you the tool that gives them that unfair advantage. It is called FastMoss. And if you've ever wanted to sell more, grow faster, or earn a recurring income, you're about to get the full blueprint. Let's dive in. So what is FastMoss? Think of it as the Google Analytics of TikTok Shop, but 100 times easier. FastMoss gives you access to over 250 million creator profiles, over 200 million products and shop data points, more than 1,000 days of TikTok historical data, and over 2.6 million global users. It shows you what's trending, what products are exploding, which creators convert, how shops are performing, and which videos drive the most sales. So FastMoss is the only data tool that you need for TikTok Shop. So if you've ever tried selling on TikTok Shop before, you know all these pains. What product should I even sell? Why are my competitors blowing up? Which videos should I copy? And who are the creators that actually sell? Well, the thing is, sellers need insights, and with FastMoss, you have the cheat code because it removes guessing and it replaces it with data-driven decisions. Now, here are some actual scenarios on how creators and sellers use FastMoss to grow and make more money. First off, you can use it to find winning products before they even trend. So creators use FastMoss product rankings to sort by GMV growth, filter by category, identify fast rising items, and validate demand. So one creator made over $3,000 in a single month, and affiliates average $2,000 per month. That is what early discovery does. The next thing you can do with FastMoss is track competitors. So you can see their product sales, their new listings, their best-selling items, and their live stream strategy. This strategy helps you copy what works, avoid dead products, and just stay ahead of the game. Another thing that FastMoss helps you do is find the right creators. So FastMoss uses performance data to show who actually drives sales, their niche, their conversion rate, and their top products. So this saves you time and money from hiring the wrong creators for your business. Another thing you can use it for is to get viral video ideas. The viral video hunt shows you the best performing TikTok videos, their hooks, editing styles, and product approaches. So you can copy the structure, recreate, and win faster. So now let's get into a tutorial exactly how to use FastMoss to make money. So step number one is you go to FastMoss to find a winning product. You open FastMoss and go to product rankings and you filter by GMV growth, category, price range, or country. You need to look for products with high growth, consistent upward trend, moderate competition, and strong conversion rate. These are the hidden gems you need to look for. Step number two is to analyze the product. So click the product and you will see recent sales, best performing creators, videos that convert, shop GMV, and daily growth trends. And this tells you exactly why the product is winning and whether you should jump in or not. For step number three is to validate demand with competitor insights. So if you go to shop insights, you can check which shops already sell this item, their selling price, top selling videos, live stream performance, and growth charts. So if multiple shops are making consistent sales, it is a good product to use. Then you can use viral video hunt to copy what works. So head to the product videos tab and sort by GMV, views, and conversion rate. Next, it's time to do some studying, so you need to study the hook. This changed my life. I can't believe this works. A small creator, but this product is insane. So write down those hooks and recreate your version by using the same structure. This is how you can get a quick win as a creator. And step number five is to reach out to high-performing creators. So go to the Creator tab, filter for creators who already promote similar products, convert well, and fit your niche. So you can message them. Hey, I found a trending product on FastMoss that fits your audience. Do you want to collaborate? This dramatically increases your success rate. And then you can use FastMoss to monitor and scale. So once you launch content, you can track GMV in real time, compare your results with competitors, adjust your videos, add creators, and increase budget. So FastMoss becomes your daily dashboard. Now, even if you're not selling anything, you can still earn using FastMoss. And let me talk to you a little bit about their affiliate program. Affiliates get 50% commission on all payments, a recurring income for 365 days, your followers get 10% off, and you get team bonuses when your followers refer others. It is a two-tier system. It means that you earn when they refer somebody, and you also earn when they refer somebody. And this is how creators make $2,000 a month on average using the FastMoss affiliate program. And the best part, there are no physical products, no logistics, and no shipping. You're just referring a tool that people actually need. So to apply to the FastMoss affiliate program, you go to the link below, fill out the form, and wait for approval. You will receive your promo code and your affiliate link, and you share your code with your FastMoss contact. And after this, you will be ready to earn. So FastMoss is perfect for people that want to find winning TikTok products, understand exactly what is trending, copy proven video formats, track competitors, and also start earning income from referrals. So if you're ready to start using FastMoss for your TikTok shop, make sure to click the link below to get 10% off and free trial access. If you're a creator and also want to join the affiliate program for FastMoss, make sure to click the link in the description. And let me know down in the comments which types of products are you selling in your TikTok shop. If you've enjoyed the video, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!